Good morning. I am Prajwal Dikshit from Team Colutes, and in this short video, I'll be explaining our team's approach to this GSTN problem set. So we first begin by importing all the required libraries, then we load our training dataset. Now in the training dataset, we can see there are too many non-values in every columns. So we will move on to have the quantitative analysis of how many non-values that each column contains. So here we can see column 3, 4, and 5 contain almost equal number of non-values, which is approximately 1.5 lakhs. But column 9 and column 14 contains a huge number of non-values. So we will drop these columns further in the code as they don't add much value to the dataset. Now we will move on to plot the correlation metrics between different columns. So here we can see column 10, 11, 12, and 13 are highly intercorrelated. So we will do PCA on them, and in the PCA we can see two components of PCA are able to explain more than 92% variation in the data. So we will drop these columns, namely 10, 11, 12, and 13, and replace them with these two PCA components. Further, we will be dropping column 9 and 14 as we have seen earlier. These don't add much value to the dataset. Then we will be applying simple imputer to the dataset. This simple imputer will replace all the missing values in every column with their respective mean of that column. Then we move on to import the testing data to test the accuracy of a trained model, which will train. So now we will be training our model. So we are using TabNet model for this project. Now TabNet is a deep tabular data learning architecture, and it works really well with tabular data. So here we can see we are getting an accuracy of more than 97% on testing data. Further, we will save the model parameters so that in future we can use them. Now we will be using our model to test different accuracy parameters on the testing data. So we are getting an accuracy of more than 97% on testing data, precision of about 0.82, a recall of 0.94, F1 score of 0.88, and like a really great ROC score of 0.99. Apart from that, we have also created an end user pipeline which can be used to predict the output of testing data. So you just need to provide the path of the testing data file and the path to the TabNet model, and it will predict the output and will also save them in a CSV file. So let me run it for you. So we can see within few seconds, it has predicted the output corresponding to the each testing value, and also it has created like a CSV file for the predictions. So that was all from our side. Thank you.